Traders Anthony here. US oil is in a strong downtrend. This is under pressure. So we're currently targeting these lows here on the daily time frame. Okay, it's kind of bounced off this low candle body, and I'm looking at this trading down into this whole range here. So target 1, potentially target 2. So we've got these lows, level of interest. I'll just mark it up, daily, copy and paste it, and we'll throw that in there. That's that. Alright, so we'll go down now to the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, I mean, you could go in with a market sell, short position right here. I would go stop above, well, you know, just to allow for a bit of volatility. What have we got there? That's a 2.26. Okay, we could go for 2R. All right, there's a 2R outcome. That's my take on oil. Looking at these price swings, swing high, swing low, retrace, sell. Okay, swing high, swing low, retrace, sell. Swing high, swing low, retrace, sell. That's my strategy. Fibonacci, high to low, into the 50 to 61.8, we're right there. Okay, so we could sell now. I mean, generally, I'll go with a stop. It's up to you. You could go stop above here. It's a little bit tight. Understand that, you know, this thing can get a bit volatile. Look at this pullback up in here. So, you know, something like that. Possibly. Get above this high here or something like that. Okay, guys, that's my take on US oil at the moment, and I think a 2R target outcome would be my my thing with this. So that's it pretty much. Love you to comment. Definitely say something, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.